Dad, I'm gay.
I have no son.
Dad, please.
No, I have no son.
I'm still the same person. Nothing has changed.
Stop. No, I don't even know who you are.
I've been struggling with how to tell you for the past few months, but I can't say I didn't expect this type of reaction. But Dad, I'm still me. I'm still your son. Why can't you just accept that?
I can't accept that, okay? Be gay is a cool. But like I said, I have no son. Oh my god, I'm in the wrong house. I am so sorry. That is, oh my, that is so embarrassing. I'm just gonna go.
Shit.